Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name's Stephen Aitchison and today we're going to be looking at Bitcoin again. I've not looked at the Bitcoin chart have looked at it every single day, but I've not done a video on it for a week or so. So I wanted to do a video on where I think it's going to go in the short term and the long term as well. I've been saying this for a while, but we'll just go over it again. So we broke through the $39,000 level. That was the kind of level I was looking at before, and I said once we get through there we're probably going to hover between 39,000 and 45,000. Now it looks just now, we can see here, we'll just get this up, 43,000 we're at just now. It looks as if it's heading up towards that 45,000 area again. Now what I think is going to happen, I think we're going to go up to the 45,000, we're going to kind of range from there and possibly go up to this next level, 50,000, up to the next 50,000. And go up to there and then come back down. I cannot see us getting back over 50,000, and I also think we're going to come back down to the 35,000 and possibly down to 29,000, which I've been saying for a while, but I don't think it's going to happen right now. I just think it is going to happen at some stage. What is happening just now around the world with Russia, Ukraine, with kind of what's happening at home, with economics, etc., with inflation going up, with the oil prices going up, with gas and electricity prices going up, house prices are probably going to start to come down. They're going to try and fight inflation as much as possible. I don't think they really give a shit about the stock markets going up and kind of about the Bitcoin price going up. So I think they're really going to fight it heavy with this inflation, and the way to do that is obviously to raise interest rates. So that's going to bring the markets down short term and longer term as well, obviously. But I think there's other events that are kind of happening around the world, especially with Russia, Ukraine, happening around the world just now. Something's going to happen that the Bitcoin price is going to come right back down again. Now, in the short term, I think we could go up to the 45,000 and possibly up to the 50,000 as well. But then I can see us coming right back down to these levels, round about 39, round about 35, and possibly all the way down to 29 again. But I still feel this is good. I still feel we need to clear the decks. And by that, I mean come right down to the bottom again of where I think the bottom is going to be, which is 29,000, and then kind of hover around there, then start going back up. Because as I've said loads of times before, long term, we know Bitcoin is going to 100,000, 200,000, 250, 500, a million eventually. And we've also seen with Russia, Ukraine, that crypto has really saved a lot of kind of Ukrainians because the money they couldn't go to the bank, they couldn't get money out of the bank, and crypto has actually saved kind of Ukraine and obviously Russia as well. I don't think we're being told the full story about Russia, Ukraine. I think we're being told what they want us to hear. So we've got to look at the other sides of the story as well. But having said that, I do think that something is going to happen, that we're going to come right back down again. It's going to be one of those kind of black swan events again. But I'm bearish short term. I'm bearish short term. When I say short term, I'm talking about the next 3 or 6 months. I think we're going to go down over the next 3 or 6 months. But just now, obviously, we're going up. I think 45,000 level is going to hit. I think we're going to break 45,000, possibly go up to 50,000. More than likely, we'll go up to 45,000, come back down a wee bit, and then kind of break through, go up to 50,000, then start coming back down again slowly. But watch out for a couple of black swan events that we don't even know about. I think Russia, Ukraine could be one of them. I think COVID, something might happen there again as well. I don't know what's going on with China. I don't know. It's not been reported in the news a lot, but China, they've had the biggest outbreak in COVID again, and it's not really been reported over the news. So I think something like that, if they kind of shut down China and they kind of shut down, if they start to do lockdowns again as well, I think something like that could bring the Bitcoin price right down. But just be careful. I think we can't get too euphoric just now. I know everything's going up at the moment, and I do expect prices to go up over the next couple of weeks. But after that, I think we're coming back down. I do believe we're coming back down again. And a lot of people are not going to like that. It's just where my head's at just now. So I'm investing for the long term just now. I'm into a left zero. I've got the gaming projects just now. I'm just going to keep a hold of the gaming projects as well. I've got a couple of other projects I've spoken about in the past as well. I'll just keep hold of them, stake them, do whatever with them. So that's my plan of attack for just now. Okay, until next video, namaste. Take care. Bye now.